Hey guys, before we get started, please remember to subscribe, and here is your video. So let me demonstrate what's going on with this computer. Okay, it says the user profile services cannot load the profile, blah blah blah, whatever. Okay, so what happens is you click on it and this on your profile, and this is what you get. So the first thing you want to do is we want to restart the machine, and once it's restarting, you start hitting F8, okay, until you get to a menu and it asks you to click on safe mode. So you hit safe mode, and this is what's going to be happening for a little while until it loads your Windows in safe. While this is loading, I want to say sorry for the video quality. This isn't one of my better videos. Anyway, so when you get into safe mode, you need to hit the start button and go into the command and type in CMD. And I'm going to want you to type in the following in the command prompt. You're going to want to type in net space user space administrator space / active : yes. Hit enter. Okay, it should say successful, and then restart your machine. So once you restart your machine, you'll see the administrator account is now available. So we're going to log into that account any minute now. I have to play some music. So now it says preparing your desktop, and it should let us into the administrator account now. So basically, we just activated the hidden administrator account. So once in the account, you're going to want to right click, personalize, and add the following desktop icons: network, user, computer, and control panel. I like to see all those on my desktop. I know you guys can't see it right now, but they're on there. So you go into you can see the Rick account, okay? And we're going to want to create another Rick account. So we're going to go into control panel, user accounts, manage another account, and now we're going to want to create a new account. So you give the account a different name. So I put Rick B, give him administrative rights, and create account. So now you have two accounts. All right, and you have the administrator account. So we're going to want to log off and log in as the new account that we just created. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the old account into this new account, and we're going to copy all the data from the old account, and then we're just going to get rid of the old account. So again, put these icons on there, hit apply, hit OK, and open up your C drive again. Well, open up your documents folder for the new account, then click on my computer. Sorry, move this over here, and we're going to go into users, find the old account. Okay, here we go, Rick, and continue on the permissions thing, and this should open in a little bit. Let me see if I can fix this camera a little bit for us so we can see the whole screen. There we go. So now we want to go into every folder, and if there's any data in those folders, we're going to copy it onto the new account. Let's go back while this is copying. Yeah, we don't need that. That's probably what messed up the machine. That we don't need that. It's too small. He has no favorites, so we're not going to copy anything there. We have my documents. Click on the first one, hold shift down, and click on the last one, right click, copy, And we're gonna put in my documents here. Let's go back, see if he has any music. No. Pictures. No. You can also just highlight everything, right click, copy, and paste. So this account, the profile got corrupted for some reason. It could be anything, but we don't have time to mess around with this one today. So this is why we're doing it the easy way, the quickest way to solve that problem. All right, I'm gonna close this, and you see all his shortcuts and all his documents that were on his desktop are there. Okay, and we're going to go into documents. All his documents are there now. He has access to them. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, so what you're going to want to do is, after you make sure everything's there, you want to either disable the old accounts that we created or set a new password so that nothing can get changed without your permission. So we're going to set a password on the administrator account. Oh, sorry, can't type today. And give it a little hint so I remember what it was. I know I spelled company wrong. But so we're going to go back and we're going to disable this account or delete the account because we don't need it anymore. And we're going to keep the files just in case. I don't like deleting anything until I'm positive everything's there. Okay. Delete the account. So now we just have the new account, the administrator account. The administrator account is locked. Guest account is off. And we can restart the machine. So now we have the administrator account and we have the new Rick account. So as you can see, he can get into his new account, his new profile. And we're going to go into control panel, user accounts, and create a password for his account. And we're going to give him a new account and we're going to write it down so we don't forget it before we give him his machine back. And I don't need a hint because I use this password all the time, so I'll let him change the password later. And we're going to log off and try the password to make sure it works. And we're good. And there you have it, guys. The easiest way to fix that cannot log into the user profile. Hope this helped, and don't forget to hit like and or subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.